Hello, all. Welcome to this video. This is regarding include and exclude filters in visualization. Of course, when we consider about filters in visualization, we basically have three types of filters. One will be visual level filters, one will be page level filters, and one will be report level filters where the filter will be filtering all the pages in the report. So with respect to the visual, we have visual level filters, and with respect to the page, we have page level filters. But there are two more filters which we can consider now. One is include filter. So it is a type of filter in Power BI where it will filter all the data or all the points except for those who choose to include. So whichever point is there which you need, only that point will be shown. Remaining everything will be taken out from the visual. So for example, if you want, if you in a scattered diagram, if you need only certain points, the remaining points, entire points you don't want, so you can use this include filter. How it works is that, okay, you can right click on this on the visual, and whichever points you need, you can just select include from that. The remaining will be taken out, and it will be shown in the filter. It will be shown in this filter that you have used filter. Same thing, exactly opposite for the exclude filter. Exclude filter is that in a visual point, whichever points you don't need. In the include means whichever points you need, remaining everything will be taken out. Exclude will be whichever points you don't need. So in include, if you want one, if you are having around 50 points, and if you need only three, you can select the three, and you can select include filter for that. Remaining everything will be taken out. In the exclude filter, if you have some 50 point, if you have some 10 or 20 points, and if you need one, if you don't want around 3 points, you can use exclude filter. So same thing for this, for scatter chart, like for 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 searching the outliers and all those things, and with regards to statistics analytics, you can use this exclude and include filters. So how it is used, we can see. So in exclude include filter, suppose you are having a product category, and it is shown in the stacked column chart with respect to total sales. So suppose it is like this, and you need only uh, this column or this product you need to analyze further. Like for example, it is like Lenovo. So you need only this data to like to search or investigate. So you can just right click on it and include. See what happens. Only this product is shown. Remaining everything is taken out. At the same time, when you check the filters, it will be included in the filters. No need for you to take this filter call, this filter pane, and do the filtering there. Just right click and do it here. Same thing for exclude. So same product you're having all the products, and this time if you don't want this Lenovo product, so just right click and exclude it from the visual, and it will be excluded, and the same will be shown in the filter. When you see the result, okay, that Lenovo should be there in between these two, but right now it is not there. So you can analyze with the remaining points. So as an example, we can do one problem, like we can exclude or include one visual. So I'm having a data, it is a life science data. So what we can do is that we can, I'll keep the filter pane also open so that we can see what is happening in here. So what we need, I'm having a measure of total sales, and we will see with respect to the region name how the total sales are coming. So I can use a pie chart right now. Region name I'm taking, and I'm taking the total sales. So I don't think this is that much clear. So we'll use this chart itself. Yeah, I'm using this chart, and we don't want the axis. I do it with labels. So right now we got this chart, and we want only the value of London, or we want only the value of Southeast. For example, we want only the value of London itself. So you just go there, right click to the London, and you click on include. And the result, what happens? Only London is shown, region in London is shown. At the same time, you go to filter and see, okay, it is included in the filter. Same way, we can do, and you can take another scatter chart. Okay, this time if you can use it different chart. You can take the region name and sales, and right now what we can do is that we need only, we don't want London. You want to see all other things, because London, of course, we have taken it differently and we are analyzing it separate. So right now we don't need to have London. Other things we can take. So what we can do is that right click on here, exclude. So London has been excluded from this chart. So you can see in the filters also. So like this way, you can do include and exclude, and it will be a handy filter function where you can use it in the visualization, and it will help you in lots of dots in the creating of the reports. So right now, if you have any doubts, you can comment it below, or if you need more examples, you can comment it below, or if there is any problem, you can comment it below. Thank you and have a nice day.